Hello guys, today we are talking about how to use Magnifier on iPhone. This may be your first time using iPhone and you don't know how to do it. Today we're gonna show you this. So start application Magnifier. To enlarge what we have on the screen, click on this scale. Or swipe up from the bottom. You can also take a photo by clicking on this button here. And that's it. If you were wondering how to use Magnifier on your iPhone, this is the easiest way. If you know no way, please leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.